name is Kaya for those of you that are new and viewing. Today I'm installing this bob wig right here from Miss Tinashe Hair. They were kind enough to send this over for me to try for y'all today. This unit's bomb. Okay, it's bomb. That's all I can say. You're gonna want to watch this whole install and tutorial because I promise you're gonna want one. It's just a good quality wig. That's all I can say. Tinashe Hair, you did that. Let's go ahead and get started with installing this wig. Okay, this is the wig from Tinashe Hair. It's a cute little bob situation, and I have added some curls. I bleached the knots off camera, and yes, it is a closure wig, and it also has an elastic band, and it also has adjustable straps. I added bronzer to the lace. Now let's see. One thing about closures, they should be very simple to install, right? A lot less work than a frontal. Lot easier than a frontal. Wow, this isn't even styled yet, and I'm liking it. I'm liking the short, because I haven't, this is the last time I installed a short wig on my channel. It's been a hot minute. Middle part or side part, y'all? What y'all think? Like middle, like that? Or a side part to this side? I don't know which one to do. We could do both. Let's just style it both ways. We'll start off with the middle first, and then we'll do side, maybe. Just go with the flow. You can obviously see that I over bleached right there in the middle, so we'll have to fix that. It happens, but it's fixable. You use like a root touch up, black eyeshadow, something that just is the same color. What I'm gonna do is just take my mascara and put it right there in the middle. Okay, let's go in and add the curls now. I don't know if I like it because I might have made it too flat. I'm probably gonna have to goosh this up. Like, the hair is fine, but I might have made it too flat for the style that I was going for. But we are gonna see what we can work with. Okay, see, that's why I said the curls made it come back together. This looks pretty now. At first I was just thinking, ooh, this looks really flat, but it's coming together. I like it. On myself, making this a little bit voluminous like that. I feel like it kind of stayed up in the air more than the other one. All right, let's do this side. We're pushing the hair towards the root. It's called teasing, I guess, to make, I'm not being rough with this either. I just want it to have a little more height instead of being like super duper flat. Cool, cool, that looks good. Of course, we are gonna have to add some, just a tad bit of bronzer. And then do a little more to these baby hairs because I might have pulled out too much on this side. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of spray. Just push it down in place because it still has this tackiness, so I don't have to do like a whole lot. If I just hold it in place, it'll stay. Give it a little press down, hold it for about 15-20 seconds. Hey, you know what? This came out cute. I was nervous, but I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. Come on, Tinashe. It's the finished look of Miss Tinashe's unit, this bob wig. It's body wave texture, and I added like some little loose curls in it. Went ahead and did a little something to the front. Added some baby hairs, a little middle part situation. But this is like a closure, so you guys can still do like a little side part if you want to, in case you don't want a middle part. No shedding, good quality, big head friendly. I absolutely love how this came out, and I think I'm feeling it so much because I haven't tried a short wig in such a long time, so it's really giving to me. I don't know what you guys think about it. It took the bleach really well, it curled really well. It's so soft and luscious. Like, it kept its shine. And honestly, guys, I haven't put any oil in this hair and it still looks so healthy. Just saying. But this is a look. A real good look. You guys are looking for you a little closure bob. This is the one you need to try. For real, for real. Tinashe here. Thank you so much for sending this over. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in this wig, look at my description bar. Look in my description bar because this is one to grab.